Hello, and welcome to our channel. Today we're exploring an important topic in tech: horizontal versus vertical scaling, choosing the right approach for your team. Whether you're a developer, a manager, or a business owner, understanding these scaling strategies is essential to ensure that your applications can grow efficiently as your user base expands. Let's get started. Scalability is the ability of a system to handle a growing amount of work, or its potential to expand to accommodate that growth. As more users or activities are added, a scalable system continues to perform well without compromising speed or reliability. Horizontal scaling, also known as scaling out, involves adding more machines or nodes to your existing system. Instead of just upgrading the power of a single server, you distribute the load across multiple servers. This approach is often used by large-scale applications like social media platforms, where handling numerous simultaneous requests is crucial. Vertical scaling, or scaling up, involves increasing the capacity of a single machine. You might add more CPU power, RAM, or storage to a server to handle additional demands. While vertical scaling is often simpler to implement, it has limitations. There's only so much you can upgrade a single machine. So, which scaling method is better, horizontal or vertical? The answer depends on your specific needs. Horizontal scaling offers greater flexibility and redundancy, making it ideal for large distributed systems. Vertical scaling is easier to manage and may be sufficient for smaller applications, but it has its limits. In many cases, a hybrid approach that combines both horizontal and vertical scaling might be the best solution. Let's talk about some common misconceptions when scaling up applications. These are things that might confuse those who aren't deep in the programming world, but are critical to getting scaling right. One common myth is that your app's programming language limits the number of users it can handle. The reality is that the language itself, whether it's Ruby on Rails, Flask, or another, doesn't restrict scalability. What really matters is the power of the infrastructure behind it. Another misconception is that the choice of cloud provider will block your app's growth. Most modern cloud platforms, like AWS or Azure, can handle massive applications. The key is to choose the right services and architecture to scale effectively. Finally, there's the idea that more users automatically mean huge costs. While scaling does increase expenses, efficient resource management and optimization can keep costs under control. Let's address some frequently asked questions on scaling. 1. Is it harder to manage one big computer or many smaller ones for your app? Adding more servers, horizontal scaling, is like having a bigger team. It's great because you can get more done, but it's also more complex to manage everyone and ensure they're working together smoothly. Upgrading a single server, vertical scaling, is easier to manage, but there's a limit to how much you can upgrade, and if that one server fails, everything stops. 2. Is there ever a good time to choose vertical scaling over horizontal scaling? In some cases, vertical scaling is preferable, especially if your application can't easily be split across multiple machines, or if you need concentrated computing power for specific tasks. 3. Is mixing horizontal and vertical scaling a good idea? Absolutely. A hybrid approach allows you to use both methods depending on your system's needs. For instance, your customer database might require vertical scaling for complex searches, while your web services can scale horizontally to handle more visitors. In conclusion, choosing the right scaling approach, horizontal, vertical, or a combination of both, depends on your application's specific needs, growth expectations, and available resources. Making the right choice ensures that your system can handle increased demand efficiently and cost-effectively. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell for more tech insights. Thanks for watching.